this kind of issue and they cannot solve it. When any type of screen you put, it shows white. Guys, let me show you how you can work this. But before this, count this 1 to 6. After counting 1 to 6, I'll show you what next you have to do. Please make sure you like and share this video. Don't forget, make sure you save this video for important. Now use your coil wire and tap this particular resistor. Now guys, please don't forget, share this update as I share give una also, and don't forget, make sure you like and comment if it works for you. Now come to where you count 1 to 6. Please recount it again, 1 to 6, so that you will not make a mistake. As you can see, please make sure it's only the particular place that you laid your wire, then it will work automatic. As you can see, now count it 1 to 6, then let's go back again. Put it that particular place, 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is the area you have to clip it on. So guys, please try this in any type of, because a lot of people have been going through this kind of issue. You fix even a new screen, CarryCom screen is still showing you white. This is a very simple way for you to tap this display and it will work.